can't have courage without being scared.
$384,000 on the line with your wife and kids here to watch.
And it all comes down to this explosion.
Oh, man.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I'm extremely nervous.
Okay. Any last words?
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, drop the bomb! Everything's on fire!
Let's go! There's so much fire!
Fire, a bomb just went off. Be careful.
No!
Oh, whoa, that is burning.
Go, Byron, go! It's under the boat, it's under the boat, it's under the boat!
Ricochet! Oh, there's still more! That is the fridge he put his money inside of.
All right, slowly bring her down!
Moment of truth.
It worked!
Yeah! Money did burn!
The money's saved! Let's go! Oh my God!
Congrats on winning $384,000!
$384,000! We did it! This is going to change so much for us, Jimmy. I'm gonna buy a tractor for the ranch.
Subscribe to Mr. Beast!
I agree.